Yeah, but they've kept that left hand, right hand, which we've seen a few teams utilise. No slip in play. Two boundary riders deep mid wicket and long on. Keep an eye on this ball. This will swing. Very, very fine left arm pace bowler Jason Behrendorff.
Get a slip in place. Here we go, match 7. Went full. We've seen Trent Bolt, we've seen Luke Wood.
Side spend a lot of time here and still do. And every time you come back, even if it's only been a couple of months, it just, they've added a little bit more to it. Olympic-sized swimming pool out the back. Brilliant.
How was that not bowled him? Slower ball. Niall O'Brien, former keeper.
Some injuries down the years, but when he's fit and gets it right, he's as good as it gets out there on the circuit.
Has he got enough of this? You bet he has. Deep in his crease, smashed out of the playing surface in the first 6 of match 7. Good bowler, subtle changes, swing. That's what he gets, a bit of swing. It's helped on its way. It's a lovely shot from TKC. Now then, just short.
Too just shows the confidence and the ability to have all through their squad.
Up and just about gets it over. We'll pick up 2. And runs from it. Remember, last ball of the power play. Trying to stay leg side. Helped on its way. Leg side. Has he got enough? No, he hasn't. Picks out Jimmy Neesham. And Mujib has his out required. Out towards extra cover. What timing this is. Beautiful shot.
Chandrapal Hemraj was in the deep and he...
Oh, little Nick. Little Nick, Nicholas Poram with none yesterday. I think he's gone for a pair. To a left-hander, into a right-hander. I like that the umpire gave a wide and then changed his decision. Well done. High and over short third. Will it run away? You bet it will. Bit of fortune for TKC. 10 from the over. Experienced T10 player here at Abu Dhabi. Here's that away drifter. Dealt with by Jos Buttler. Wow, he's in some form. No, but on a serious note, I don't mind it. What a shot. Serious shot, and he wants pace on it. Niall, he wants the pace on it.
Rags.
Early night for me. We've got another 4 games coming and I cannot wait. Second over for Jimmy Neesham. Like it. I like that front. Got a better chance of getting a wicket the more dots you've got. You just see there, even though it's bottom of the bat, he's frustrating Buttler. 11 runs from his first 9 deliveries then for Jimmy Neesham. Lovely shot. Serious shot this. Got to take a risk when you play this shot, but you just help it on its way. And it brings up... I'm retired. Would frustrate me, that shot. Now then, powered out towards that man. Could be out, gone. Gulbadin Naib at quite a wide third, and TKC is gone.
Oh, another one, no, cloth straight back. Just lost sight of it completely, Gulbadin. Oh, it's been hit very hard through the offside. Crunched away to that boundary.
Yeah, and I just wonder how much...
Deccan Gladiators looking to kick-start the last 4 overs. Jos Buttler on strike. Goes over mid-wicket into the gap for 4.
Yeah, challenge here for Behrendorff tonight.
Straight over the head of mid-off. Couple of bounces, or one perhaps, into the boundary, 4 more.
Gladiators are.
Gets it behind point, through the gap for 4 more. This time it's Stoinis. Gets that one, does Josh Butler. Those quick hands and wrists straight down the ground, makes it a really good over. 21 from it, 78 for 3. Extra cover this time for Stoinis, a couple of bounces, 4 more, dealing in boundaries now, the Gladiators. Clever, very clever indeed. Saw it short, angled the bat, deliberately played, 4 more. Oh no, James Neesham. The slower ball should have been one, and the big fella couldn't around the wicket. Neesham, grab a hold of that one, James, he did. Gulbadin. Butler, it's short, and it's been hammered leg side and over the boundary. Another massive over. 100 comes up, the Gladiators have taken 23. Pretty good on their timing front as well, just 41 minutes so far. Oh, hammered. Oh, the bowler was in trouble there. He just missed his length finally. And Stoinis pounced on it for a 4. 1-1-1 for 3, 1 to go.
Coming back. Look, he stopped in his follow through.
Enough of that. The big Stoin finds the boundary over long on.
Go on, you guys, go on, you guys! Catch it!
Mid-wicket in play. No, it's not. It's in the gap. It's in the gap, and it's all the way. 6 more. Oh, that's gone. That's gone. 50 for Butler. Consecutive 50s yesterday and today. This one off 21 balls. Yesterday's slightly faster, but just as good to watch.
Yeah, worth the admission fee right there. Striking at 257, and we've got 1 ball to go.
Go again. Finds another one, does Josh Butler. 3, 4 maximums in the over. Last 4 overs, 8-0, 80 runs in the last 4.